Hey guys, Steven here. It's morning now, around 7:07 a.m. Actually starting the video off in the room, which I probably shouldn't be doing. Someone's in the room next door now, so, but I'm not sure if anyone's in that room. Yeah. I slept really well. Well, I kind of had some trouble falling asleep at first, but did just fine. Sorry that I'm like right by the camera, just talking really low. Not sure if they're still asleep. But yeah, the bed was comfy. Even watched some TV, which I never really do. I don't even think I gave a room tour. If I did, there's the front door. There's the room, closet, the bathroom. This is a spacious bathroom, I ain't gonna lie. Shower, sink, toilet. Oh yeah. Got the Blue Ridge Scenic Railway shirt on. But yeah, getting ready to leave in a little bit. Man, I'm just glad I'm in a better hotel. I just feel like that's all that matters to me right now. I'm gonna head over down to the train in a few minutes. I think it's supposed to rain today, so not really looking forward to that. Luckily I brought a little rain jacket just in case. Or while I'm waiting on the train, I could always book it back to the truck. Just chilling there. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready. And then just go back over to the depot. Hopefully I can find a spot, because yesterday it was crowded. Alright, so we're obviously in Blue Ridge. Look. So this is the spot where the train is. They're all the way over there. I don't know what they're doing. Like, I was just sitting in the truck. I just start seeing them take off. I'm like, what are they doing? I don't know what they're doing. I've never actually seen that. Like, they didn't do that last time I was here, and they didn't do it in 2014. No telling what they're doing. I was just messing around with myself, being like, maybe they're just gonna cancel the train today. That would suck, because then I would have came here for nothing. Yeah, I don't know what they're doing. It's like they just took off. Never actually seen them do that. It's just weird to me. And I can't, film any walking by the train. Hope they'll come back. I want to get footage of them actually driving back in. They better come back. I don't want to cut this trip short either. I'm just gonna walk around for a little bit, enjoy life. And yeah, try to get footage of the train coming back. Cause I've always wanted to get footage of that. So yeah, just walking around Blue Ridge now. Like I said in the last video, last time we were here, it reminds me of the square, just of a cabin vibe. footage of that. It's always been like my dream to get footage of the train that started it all taking off or coming back in. Man, that was cool. Here's the train car we rode, where me and my grandpa rode the first time. Smell like diesel now. And I showered this morning too, which kind of sucks. Ah, well. But yeah, glad I got that footage. Because it's been something I wanted to get for a long time. Alright, so this is the car we're going to be in today. Car 2975, says it on my ticket. Blue Ridge Scenic Railway. Sessions car, handicapped car, and next to that is the car I rode when I was here the first time. So yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Can I put the reset in?
AKA Joe Fontaine. Only thing I'm on, folks, is caffeine. I am super squeaky clean. There's a red carpet out here. I'm only on caffeine. Folks, what happens on the train stays on the train. I don't mind you having popcorn fight with this dreaded mountainside. They want your seats. They're going to get your seats in the afternoon ride back. So, if you spill anything, if you do anything, I will be there. Clean it up. Now, can y'all hear me? I was at that concert in 1969. I helped put it up. I helped take it down. I stayed so long cleaning it up. Newtown High and Elmhurst, Queens made me do almost a full more fifth year of high school to get my diploma. That diploma gave me where I drove a truck for 35 years, 48 states, Mexico, and Canada. I had the pleasure of going to school from 7th grade to 12th grade with Gene Simmons of the rock group Kiss. Now, when Gene and I was both 14 years old, 10 years before Kiss came about, we had a little rock group called the Strawberry Ice Cream Cone. I tried out for it as a singer, and old Gene said, "Hey, Fontaine, you can't sing." That's why I'm not living on Rodeo Drive. I'm living on East 1st Street right now. Okay. Study those brochures. Get your game plan on. Take the pictures after you eat. Give it up for Ronnie. He's the best. We all need to be back on this train at 10 to 1. Well, James Walker found that he was our first hero. He was our first veteran.
This mayor worked for the L&N Railroad and started at 50 cents per day in the mid-1930s.
Okay, how does Bigfoot tell time? There you go, Captain.
Thank you.
You're welcome, folks. All on the land part and messed us up big time in the hot 100-degree heat that day. You'll see how close it is, folks. Look at that. Oh my. And right here, this is where the man got stuck under the bridge and held us up, right there.
Alright, so we're just chilling in a bathroom right now. The trains are over there. I just ate at the same place I ate at last time. Man, that barbecue was so good. I came in here because I had to go really bad. Yeah, but guys, look at this. You are beautiful. Every time I see that, well, this is the second time I've seen that, I'm just like, oh, thank you. I appreciate that. But yeah, I don't really know how much filming I'm gonna do. Y'all pretty much already seen this. If y'all watched the video back in May. But I'm gonna film a few things, just not everything. Because y'all pretty much already seen it. So yeah, I'm just gonna walk around. Not wandering too far off from the train. I don't want to be left behind. Because there's no Ubers here, no bed and breakfasts, no hotels, motels. Yeah, no taxis. So yeah, let's just walk around. Just enjoy the rest of the day. And yeah, just walk around, then get back on the train. It's pretty much the same scenery. So if y'all saw the May video and y'all are watching this video now, don't start like hating me in the comments. Just cause, hey, I might have filmed some of this before. I don't really care, I ain't even gonna do anything. But for now, just gonna walk around, not wander too far off cause got less than an hour before I need to get back onto the train. I'm a germaphobe, so I'm trying to get out of here. Alright. Oh, fix that. So I'm just sitting here enjoying life. Still got like 45 minutes before the train takes off. Take us back to Blue Ridge. Got a little hair. I want to try to get into car 549 early. Or get back to the train early. Try to see if I could go in car 549. That's the stainless steel car. Just because that was the first one I ever rode in. So yeah, I'll just wait and see. Alright guys, we're back on the train. I'm gonna go into car 549. Look at this car. Car 549.
Yes, in outer space. What was the first musical instrument in outer space? Guitar, good answer. Banjo, not right. I can't hear you down there. Harmonica. Ukulele, another good answer, not right. Trumpet, no. Saxophone, no. Think small. Who said harmonica first? Oh, I gotta give it to the mountainside. Why they're contesting?
77
He has a giraffe. Let me see him. And we're moving along about 5 miles an hour. Don't forget, we got that. Get ready, Jim. 550 some years old.
Alrighty guys, that's the end of this video. Hope everyone enjoyed. Back in Blue Ridge pretty much. So obviously, yes, my lazy self decided not to fill out the housekeeping request thing. Just because it doesn't really bother me. They can clean it when I check out. So yeah, I'm here for one more night. I'm not leaving because we're going to give it a few hours. Then we're going to go back down to the depot and I'm going to reveal a few exciting things. So please stay tuned for that. That'll be the next video. By the time that video comes out, I'll already be back home. So yeah. Please stay tuned for that. I think y'all guys are going to like it. So anyways, please be sure to subscribe. Be sure to thumbs up this video. Thumbs up in my videos. Get your friends to watch my channel. Get them to subscribe. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one.